Well, thank you. This is my first time doing business in Canada. We've got oil prices, $50.31 versus $48.07 2 weeks ago.
50 cents. Everyone just had a heart attack. Yeah. No one is alive.
Goodbye, industry. However, from that $50.31, I understand that we're down a little bit in early trading.
Yeah,
So we shall see where the day goes.
Down. We were only down about 76 cents. Pretty normal at the start of the week. So bounces all around. As we know, people are taking profit or gambling that what's going to happen.
So they shouldn't wait to fill up with gas at the pump?
Well, when's the next long weekend?
Yeah.
Exactly.
And speaking of long weekends, if you're stocking up on the US dollars, our dollar is at 76.07. That is cents. And versus a couple weeks ago, 76.24. So not too different.
No, we've seen a lot of stability in the dollar over the last 8-10 weeks. It's been bouncing between 75 and 77, so it's good to see it. It's sort of been that natural place the last few years. It was very nice when it was at 96 cents and we were traveling to the US, but it is good for our Eastern economy and trade balance and lots of things when the dollar's a little bit lower. So
we'll see how many people stock up next time we're at $1.03.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of people out there hoping they had kept their US dollar accounts when we were at 96 cents. So we'll see. So we're going to jump in and chat a little more too about what's going on with listings.
Okay, so in the Calgary metro area, we're at 6,031 listings. Last week it was 6,203, so numbers down a little bit.
Yep.
And in Red Deer, we love Red Deer, 613 listings versus 651 last week. So again, also down a little bit.
Absolutely, and we saw the little flurry last week with the upcoming changes to mortgage financing rules that are now in effect today, and we'll be talking about that later.
We should talk about that.
Yeah,
let's do that.
It might be a little bit important to everybody.
I think so.
Okay, we'll make sure we cover that off. In months of inventory and absorption rate, right now in Calgary, we have a very balanced market still. The total is at 3.94, which is good. Single-family homes at 2.91, again, starting to verge towards that bit of a seller's market, but still sitting in the balanced. And condos are back up at about 6.6 in a buyer's market. We've seen that really for the last 6-8 months, condos definitely being on the market's buyer's side in the marketplace. Surrounding areas, months of inventory, Okotoks, 5.82 versus 4.51 2 weeks ago. Airdrie is had a little flurry. It's at 2 months of inventory right now, 3.5, so definitely a seller's market out in inventory right now, out in Airdrie. Cochrane stayed very static at 5.5 versus 5.54. Strathmore at 6.47 versus 5.78. But I think back to just a few months ago where we were seeing 11 and 12 months of inventory out in Strathmore. So it's good to see still a strong recovery in that area. Sundre at 9.14 versus 11.67. And Red Deer sitting at 4.26 versus 4.34. And as we all know, a balanced market we consider to be between 2.5 to 3.5 months supply. And benchmark price, Jeff.
Is that on my list? Whoa, there we go.
It's on mine.
I'm sorry, folks. This is a whole new adventure for me. $440,400, which is a lot of fours, a lot of zeros. And yeah, we're going to take that one away.
Yeah, absolutely.